So I picked myself up this little kit from Amazon, and it's not sponsored or anything, it's all paid for with my own money. I just wanted to give this a go and see what it's like. And it's like a little room stroke office. So first things first is I'm going to see if it's got everything in it. You need to get batteries, by the way, and it's those. If you get this kit, it doesn't come with batteries, which is fair enough because they're funny about posting batteries. So it comes with an instruction booklet with all step-by-step instructions on how to make everything. So basically it's like a gigantic jigsaw puzzle, which is the sort of thing I like. You get the power pack to power the lights and a little LED light. Tiny little LED there. Yes, you got to wire it yourself. Bits and bobs to make fixtures and fittings. Some fabric and some natural materials. The main part of the building. So as you can see, it's quite a small kit. And then some punched out pieces for making furniture and things. It comes with a little bit of stuffing for cushions and things, and some glue and some paint. So that's quite good. And this teeny weeny little jar, which is probably to turn into some sort of light or plants or pot or something. Then it comes with some printouts, and you cut these out and stick them onto the wood to create the design. It's various things like pictures to go on the walls, leaves to make plants. So you need a good craft knife for this. Some things to fold up to make like boxes and books and things, and other bits and bobs. So yeah, it comes with everything you need apart from a craft knife and the batteries. So yeah, that's my little unboxing of this model kit. Hope you enjoyed this little mini video, and I will do a video soon on me putting this all together. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I'll also put link in the description to where I got this. Bye for now.